shift right click, multi cut. I think I'm gonna click here, click here, and click here, click here, click here, 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 W, vertex mode, grab that, do that, press R, smash it flat, smash it flat, smash it flat, smash it flat. You know, do this, do that, grab both, pull on that, do that, do that, grab this, pull on that, pull on that, yank on it, pull on that, pull on that, on that, yank on that, yank on that, yank on that, pull that back a bit, pull that back a bit, and pull that back a bit, back a bit, like that, pull that. Now grab this, Control Shift to there, grab this, Control Shift, pull up to there, press R, okay, that's fine, grab this, Control Shift, drag it up to here, press R, smash it that. Alright, grab this, Control Shift, drag it, grab this, Control Shift, drag it, grab that, Control Shift, drag it, press R, roll, spin it like that, so like here, spin it, pull on it, pull on it, pull on it, alright. Alright, so grab that, Control Shift, grab those, Control Shift, there, maybe, something like that. Grab that, hold, zoom in, Control Shift, pull, Control Shift, pull, Control Shift, pull, grab that, Control Shift, pull, Control Shift, pull, Control Shift, pull, Control Shift, pull, Control Shift, pull. Alright, Shift right click, multi cut. I'm gonna click here, shit. multi-cut. I'm gonna grab that vertex. I'm gonna just yank it like that. Yank this, yank that. Object mode, shift right click, multi-cut, click and snap, click over here, click over here, click all the way over here. I'm gonna click over. Click here, 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 and click here. Right, so now it's starting to get a little bit intense. Vertex mode, grab that, yank on that a bit, grab that, yank on that, yank on that. Grab these three, shift right click, merge vertices to center, yank on that like this. It's fine. Grab this. Grab these, control shift, yank on it. Just looking at my spacing. I'm gonna shift right click, multi-cut, click over here, click across like that, click across over here, click across over there, click over here, click over there, click over there, click over there, click over here, click over here, click over there, click over there, click over there, press W, select that, yank it. Vertex mode, grab these three, shift right click, merge vertices to center, pull, right click, edge, grab that, shift right click, edge, delete edge. Vertex mode, grab that, grab that, pull, pull, pull. Grab that, press R, grab the yellow, rotate thing like that, pull like that, press E, rotate, W, move it like that, grab this, press E, rotate, press R, squeeze, squeeze, pull, W. I'm basically laying down the train tracks. Grab this, press E, rotate the yellow, press W, pull, press R, squeeze, squeeze, click outside, grab that, press E, rotate a bit, press R, squeeze, squeeze a bit, grab that, press W, pull a bit, pull that a bit, pull that a bit, multi-cut, click and snap, click, press W, grab that, pull on that, vertex mode, shift right click, multi-cut, click and snap, click over there, press W, right click, vertex mode, grab that, pull on it, 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 pull this back, pull this out, grab that, okay. Right click, edge mode, backspace, vertex mode, press E, spin this, call it the green one, like so, shift right click, multi-cut, click and snap, click and snap, press R, squeeze, squeeze, press E, rotate a bit, grab those. Maybe I'll just kind of pull like that, grab that, pull like that perhaps, press E, rotate a bit. Alright, not too bad. Grab that, pull that, pull that, pull that, grab that, pull that. Alright. Grab this, press Q, hide the stupid, grab that. Control Shift to grab that. Or maybe you can hold Control to not grab that. Hold Control to not grab that. Hold Control and drag to not grab that. I'm gonna not grab, holding Control, I'm not gonna grab that. So those, I'm gonna backspace. Yep. Here, right click, Shift, right click, multi-cut. Click here, click there, press, click on this, click there, press W. Right click vertex mode, grab that pull, grab that pull, grab that pull, grab that pull. Edge mode, grab that, shift, right click, delete edge. Grab that, vertex mode, pull on that, pull on that, pull, pull, pull. Pull, shift right click, multi-cut, click and snap, click and snap. Grab that, pull, press Alt E, rotate the yellow color like so, press W, pull, pull, pull. Grab that, press E, rotate a bit, press W, pull. Grab this and this. Shift right click, merge vertices to center, pull, grab that, pull, 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 shift right click, multi-cut, click and snap, click and snap, click and snap, click over here, snap over there. Right click, vertex mode, grab that, pull, pull, pull that in, pull this, pull that. Grab those, press E, rotate it a bit, press W, yank it out, press E, rotate this way a bit. Grab that, pull, 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 pull. Object mode, shift, right click, multi-cut, click and snap, click over there, press W, vertex mode, rotate a bit, press W, put over there, pull, pull, pull. Multi-cut, and click, 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 vertex mode, grab that, shift right click, merge vertices, target weld, click over there, grab that, grab that, grab that, that, grab this and this, shift right click, merge vertices, merge the center, like so. Edge mode, backspace. Shift right click, multi-cut, click and snap, click over there, click over there, click over there, press W, right click, vertex mode, grab that, pull, 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 pull. Rotate, pull, press E, pull it out like that. Grab that, press W, pull, pull. Alright. Right click, face mode. Gonna grab this, control shift, grab that, control shift, grab that, control shift, grab that, grab that. Backspace, backspace, press backspace. Control shift S. Alright, so it's coming along. Yeah, it's coming along. Looks neat. Thing looks neat. What I'm gonna do is grab here to here, hold shift, double tap, yank it to like that. Vertex mode, yank it like so. I'm gonna leave these alone here. Right click, object mode. Go back in, select that. Right click, edge mode, double tap from here to here. Hold shift, double tap. Then shift right click, extrude edge. Press W. Press 4. Zoom in. Yank it. Hold D as in Victor. Snap it. So this is where I am. At that edge. Hold down V as in Victor. Grab that move gizmo arrow. Snap it. And there, right there. This is that midline. Here, you can see it. It's 5. Vertex mode. Grab this. Pull it back a bit. Grab that. Pull a bit. Press W, pull that a bit. text mode, grab that, pull, grab that, pull that back, grab this, that, pull, grab those two, pull, press R, that. There you go. Not bad, not bad, not bad. This I need to pop over there like that. Control Shift S. Grab this. Mesh display. Soften outer edges. Option box. Set it to 20. Apply. Close. So this will be fixed fairly quickly. Yep. I think I'm gonna end it there. This looks pretty dangerous looking. Just looks sharp. Do this and then right click, edge mode, double tap, and pull down. Press F. Pull it down. Tap, pull down, double tap, pull down. Alright, not too bad. Maybe like that. Maybe I don't like that. Yeah, I think I don't like that. Just gonna leave it like that. Mesh display, soften outer edge, 20 degrees, close. Alright, that's the end of this video. Bye bye.